Based on this figure, find the following if exists. Number 1. What is the value of the function when x equals to 1? As you can see from this graph, when x equals to 1, the value of the function equals to positive 1, as you can see on the black circle there. So for question 1, quite simple and straightforward. Question 1, part 1, the answer for the value of the function of x when x equals to 1 equals to 1. For part 2, what is the limit of the function when x approaches 1? As you can see from the graph, it's asking for the limit, meaning we need to evaluate. In this case, x approaches 1, we need to evaluate from both sides, left and right. When it is approaches from the left, as you can see here, the value equals to or approaches negative 5. And similarly, when the function or x approaches 5 from the right, or in this case positive 1, the value of the limit also approaches negative 5. Therefore, the limit of the function when x approaches 1 equals to negative 5. We need to evaluate the x from both sides because there is no indication whether this is approaches x approaches 1 from the right or from the left. If there is no indication left and right, which means we need to evaluate from both sides. Next, part 3. What is the limit of the function when x approaches negative 2? Also, there is no sign from the left or from the right, meaning we need to evaluate the function from both left and right. So look at the graph from negative 2. When x equals to negative 2 approaches negative 2, from the left, the function equals to, as you can see here, positive 1. However, when the x approaches negative 2 from the right, meaning from this side, the value approaches positive 4. Okay, so it's not equal. Therefore, for this part, the answer does not exist. So, for the next part, determine whether f of x continuous or not at x equals to 1. As you can see here, when x equals to 1, the value of the function equals, when x equals to 1, it equals to positive 1, whereas when the limit from both left and right, as you can see here, is negative 5. So, in this case, the function is discontinuous or is having a, a discontinuity at x approaches or x equals to 1. So, part B, if you like, here, it was this, all of these are part A. So part B is not continuous or discontinuous. Discontinuous.